Hi friends, welcome to Pumpskin Challenge. This unique body scrub works on your skin even after it's been rinsed off. Now you may avoid the ingredients that doesn't suit your skin and alter the recipe. Let's get started. We'll start with about 3 to 5 orange slices and about 20 to 40 mint leaves. These two will tighten and brighten your skin, fade any scars, and flush toxins from your skin. And now our superhero of the day, pumpkin. It will give you the softest skin. It has many benefits which we have already shared in our Did You Know section. You can check the link in description. You know what? If pumpkin is Batman, peanuts is Robin. So together they will super hydrate and reverse your skin's clock. बहुत बातें हो गई. Now add 2 spoon peanuts please. Now, whatever is available with you, castor or olive oil, add about 6 spoons, or you can add more if you have a really dry skin. Add about 2 by 2 inches of jaggery or gur, as we call it in Hindi. This will fade wrinkles, blemishes, scars, or marks and give you a clear skin tone. Now, scoop out seeds from half a melon or kharbuja. This will increase your skin's elasticity and brighten your complexion. Honey, honey, how you thrill me. Well, everyone knows how moisturizing honey is, but a very few know that it's a great cleanser that gives your skin a youthful glow. Rice has won many hearts with its anti-aging properties. It also protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Now let's add 3 spoons of boiled rice. Licorice, also called mulethi, has highest skin lightening properties and regenerates new skin cells. Add 1 teaspoon, and if you don't have this, leave a comment on our page to place your order. Now blend everything according to the consistency that you want. If you want it smooth, blend it well, or vice versa. Now pour out the blend in a jar and add 1.5 cup of sugar. It will help you get rid of ingrown hair and detoxify your skin while moisturizing it. Now that you're ready to scrub a few years off your skin, let's take a picture. Say cheese! अब सोच क्या रहे हो? Upload your pic with hashtag pumpskinchallenge, hashtag OutshineNaturally and win a chance to get a free beauty kit. Follow us on the links given on the screen if you love your skin. Thank you for watching. We'll come back soon with another video. Adios amigos.